Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm premium box. So let's jump into it. I do want to put a little disclaimer though, that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so the first thing in this month's Boxycharm premium box is this beautiful little product card that says Aether Beauty. And what's cool about this is when you open it up, it shows you all of these good for you ingredients that add benefit as well as beauty. Jumping into the products though, the first product in this month's Boxycharm premium box is this Aether Beauty palette, and this is the Desert Sunset palette. This is a gorgeous palette, you guys. It's a little dirty because I did use it today. As you can see, it's been dipped into, but it is a cardboard palette, and I thought this was so cool. It doesn't come with a mirror, but it does say this. It says, "Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products, and let's be real, you'll probably be using this palette in front of a mirror anyways. By removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable, and we are saving this palette from going directly to the landfill. It's a win-win for both you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Hashtag good vibes beauty." So I thought that was really, really cool. And it's always good to see companies giving back, even if it's for something simple like trying to save our planet. And let me swatch a couple of these so you guys can see just how insanely pigmented this palette is. Gorgeous. Wow. And on the product card, it also says that these are crystal charged pigments infused with amber powder that help to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. It's also formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. What's also cool is it came with this awesome card here. And then on the back, it says Aether Beauty. It's kind of like a tarot card. I thought that was super cool. Such a nice touch. You want that other sound? I've got the best around. Nobody ties me down. Don't wanna mess with me. I'm dangerous, you see. Nobody disagrees. I bring the cavalry. I'm at the top, you know. So far from head to toe. Let's swing from hot to low. So hot, so free, 'cause I got that. Let loose, just let it go. Don't need nobody, no. Sit back and watch the show. So hot, so free, 'cause I got that. The Aether Beauty Desert Sunset palette retails for $48. Next, we have the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Powder. And this is just a loose setting powder, you guys. And when I applied this, I was shook. It completely just veiled my face, blurred every pore, and yeah, I'm in love. This is also a talc-free powder, which I absolutely love. I wish a lot more companies were talc-free. It's just very insane when you go to look at your ingredients list on the back of your palette or your foundations, your concealers, and you see talc, because talc is so dangerous, you guys, so dangerous. When this powder is completely out, I will definitely be repurchasing. The Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder retails for $27. Next, we have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette, and it looks a little something like this outside of the box. I did use this today, so these shades have been dipped into, but it is a stunning palette. And this palette features the 3 best-selling Custom Enhancer drops by Cover FX, and this palette is also talc-free. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys as well, so you can just see how gorgeous they are. Wow, so stunning. And I actually have this on my face today. The Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette retails for $42. Next, we have the Lys Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. And I am in love with the packaging of this primer, you guys. It's so cute. It's like a triangle, and I loved the way this went on. It's kind of like a serum liquid, and it leaves your face feeling tacky, which I love in a primer because it means everything's gonna stick and stay throughout the day. This is going to brighten and balance the skin as well as control the shine so that way you don't look oily throughout the day. The Lys Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer retails for $20. Next, we have the Lys Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. And this is formulated with organic ingredients, which I absolutely love. This is going to clear and hydrate your skin at the same time, as well as protect and smooth the skin. And let's be real, anything that's going to make my pores shrink over time, I'm all for, because I've got some textured, huge pores. The Lys Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask retails for $36. And then last but not least in this month's Boxycharm Premium Box, we have the Persona Cosmetics Lip Liner. But this is such a gorgeous color, you guys. I have it on today, and then I put a liquid lipstick in the center of my lips, and it just goes on like butter. It's so pigmented. So, so good. Let's take this underground. You want that other sound? I've got the Persona Cosmetics Lip Liner retails for $14. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm Premium Box. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to have it all in 2022. Plus, charmers get to unlock the best beauty deals, you guys. And good news about the premium box is that it's now a standalone box, which means you do not need a subscription for the base box in order to get the premium. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.